Welcome to Kaveri's Corner. Let's learn the phonic sounds of the alphabets A to Z. Wake up everyone, it's 8 a.m. Wake up everyone, it's 8 a.m. It's so fun to have the class again. Wake up everyone, it's 8 a.m. It's so fun to have the class again. I miss my classes, I miss you all. Welcome everyone to the new session. I miss my classes, I miss you all. Welcome back everyone to the new session. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Today we are starting our class with a quick revision of all the alphabets. So first of all, I will tell you the sounds of all the alphabets and then we will proceed towards writing them. Okay? So let's start. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, grapes. H, hat. I, igloo. J, juice. K, kite. L, lollipop. M, mango. N, neep. O, owl. P, peacock. Q, queen. R, rose. S, snack. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, Xmas tree. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. In my next video, I will show you how to write print letter capital A to Z and small a to Z. Till then, kindly subscribe to my channel Kaveri's Corner and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my latest videos.